We're on our way to Peekamoose from New York City. It's about like 2 hours away from the city. I don't know if I'm late on the trend or what, but I haven't seen that many people like pull up to this place, and it looks beautiful from the photos that I've seen. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna give it a little try. I'm gonna give it a little whirl and see what the vibe is. I mean, it should be fine. Like, you guys with me. This is my first vlog, so it might fucking suck completely, but it's okay. It's only up from here. And I'm allowed to fucking suck and then get better. Okay? You're allowed to suck and then get better.
First time that the first time I laid my eyes on you.
Can't wait to go inside that swimming hole.
I remember the first time.
So, we got here, and it's really raining. Really bad. Not that bad, actually. It went down a bit.
We're gonna have to wait.
We got the wrong parking pass permit. I got the one for camping sites, and we were supposed to get the one not there, so.
I think if we wait 30 minutes, it'll go away. I think that's how the weather works.
Am I focused?
Are you focused? You are.
And here we see the Amazon jungle.
Please tell us more.
Just careful with the anacondas on the ground. Watch out!
You fucking scared me. Oh my god.
Only you would look through your eyes. If only you would open the eyes of your heart.
Went there and it started pouring, and the water's really cold, so I wouldn't recommend going in there
Beep it.
unless it's a hot summer day.
Or after like a massive hike. After a massive hike.
We're gonna go to our
that'd be nice.
second waterfall activity that's near here and see if it stops raining, and if it doesn't, then we're just gonna
Call it a wrap.
call it out. Oh, you might be wondering what Lucas brought for snacks today? No, not Cheez-Its, not chips, not a granola bar. Fucking Dot's home-style pretzels.
They were 50% off.
What?
Okay, I'm not supporting them. This is not paid
And you might
sponsorship.
be like, okay.
50% off though. I was like, I'm down.
You might be like,
Everyone's like, oh, the Barbosas are leaving? We out.
I'm sure
This is lame.
exactly
That's
what
exactly
they
their
said.
train of thought. That is what went on in their head.
Only you would look through your eyes. Only you would open the eyes of your heart. If only you would settle down and realize. If only I wanna find you. I wanna find you. 'Cause I want your love and I need your love and I crave your love more and more each day.
Yeah. You and your granola girl vibe.
'Cause I want your love
With my granola girl.
and I crave your love more and more each
I feel like nature protects you, like Mother Nature protects you from like falling or animals and hides you away like the spiritual realm. So like if you say thank you and you appreciate and you're kind, no harm comes to you. But if you treat nature like really badly and you like litter, That's not neighboring. And you like litter and you're like kind of being entitled to nature, Mother Nature space. You fall and animals find you. Period.
Never plan what we're doing throughout the day. We just kind of showed up. That's it. We gotta swap back. I could stand up straight for a little bit. All right. Should we talk about how that man almost fell to his death?
Oh yeah. It was a sudden death for him.
No, he really almost fell and busted his. Damn. He really he caught himself by the bare minimum of a
He did, right?
yeah. Don't drink and hike.
We're on our way back. It's been a day. I'm exhausted. But none of this was planned. We did not know that we were gonna go this hard, and yet we did.
It was pretty fun though.
Yeah. I feel like everything we did today was low intensity. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do everything that we did today.
Oh, it was really fun. I recommend that hike. It's maybe 2.5 hours from New York City. So, I mean, be safe. There was that guy who almost fell to his death, so be safe. But yeah, no, that's pretty much it.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
How many steps we did? 6,000. Not that bad.
Alright, don't show off.
Keeping it light, keeping it calm.
Alright guys, see you on the next one.